Fourth problem, the sum of the reciprocals of Raymond's ages in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. Solution for a fourth problem. Let the present age of Raymond's be x years. 3 years ago Raymond's age is equal to x minus 3, and its reciprocal is 1 by x minus 3. Raymond's age 5 years from now is equal to x plus 3, and its reciprocal is 1 by x plus 5. 1 by x plus 5. According to the question, the sum of the reciprocal of his ages is 1 by 3. Therefore 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Taking LCM on LHS, x minus 3 into x plus 5. These are coprimes, that's why we can take like this: x plus 5 plus x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. 1x 2x, 5 minus 3 plus 2 by x into x square, x into 5 5x, minus 3 into x minus 3x, minus into plus minus 3 5 are 15 is equal to 1 by 3. 2x plus 2 by x square plus 5x minus 3x plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. On cross multiply, x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 3 2s are 6x, 3 2s are 6, x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. X square plus 2x minus 6x minus 4x minus 15 minus 6 minus 21 is equal to 0. We can factorize to find square roots. 1 minus 21 is minus 21, minus 21 is equal to 3 sevens. To get middle term minus 4x, we should keep minus for 7, then we can get 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4. So we can split this middle term, x square plus 3x minus 7x minus 21 is equal to 0. X is common, x plus 3 minus 7 is common, x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is common, x plus 3 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3, or x is equal to 7. But x can't be negative. So x is equal to 7. Therefore, the present age of Rahman is 7 years. Question number 5. In a class test, the sum of Maulika's marks in mathematics and English is 30. If she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of her marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the 2 subjects. Solution for problem 5. Given sum of the marks in maths and English is equal to 30. Let Maulika's marks in maths be x, then our marks in English is equal to 30 minus x. If she got 2 more marks in maths, then our marks would be we took x for maths, so marks would be x plus 2. So this is equation 1 to identification. If she got 3 marks less in English, then our marks would be English 30 minus x. So 30 minus x minus 3, that is equal to 30 minus 3, 27 minus x. This is equation 2. According to the problem, according to the question, the sum of product of here given, the product of our marks would have been 210. Product of our marks here equation 1, here equation 2. X plus 2 into 27 minus x is equal to 210 is given. So this is given. Now we have to solve the equation. X into 27 x into x minus x square, 2 into 27 54, 2 into minus x minus 2x is equal to 210. 27 here minus 2x, so 25x minus x square plus 54 is equal to 210. We have to shift these all terms to right side because the sign of x square term, x square is minus, that's why. So this will minus plus minus 25x square plus x square minus 54 plus 210 only. We are transposing that side only, that's why. Plus x square minus 25x minus 54, 210 minus 54, 10 minus 4 6, 10 minus 5 here 1 only, 156 plus 156 is equal to 0. We have to factorize. First to split into middle term. To split into middle term we have to do like this. 1 into 156 is equal to 156. 156 is equal to minus 25. So 12 13s are minus 12 into minus 13 is equal to minus 12 minus 13 is equal to minus 25. So x square minus 12x minus 13x plus 156 is equal to 0. X is common, x minus 12. 13 is common, x minus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 12 is again common, x minus 13 is equal to 0. X minus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to 12 or x is equal to 13. X means what? Maths. If x is equal to 12, then our marks in maths 12 and English 30 minus 12 18. If x is equal to 13, then our marks in maths 13 and English 30 minus 13 is equal to 17. So these are two answers. Question number 6. The diagonal of a rectangle field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. Solution for a sixth problem. Let the shorter side of the rectangle be x meters, then the longer side shorter side be breadth, we can call this breadth b is equal to x meters, then the longer side length is equal to, here given longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, so that's why x plus 30 meters. And also given the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side, so the diagonal d is equal to x plus 60 meters. Basing this, we can draw a rectangular field like this. This is a rectangle. This short side is called breadth is x, long side is called length. This is breadth. Length is equal to x plus 30, and also given diagonal d is equal to x plus 60. According to the question, we can use right angle triangle formula, or we can use diagonal is equal to diagonal square is equal to L square plus B square, that is L square plus B square is equal to D square in this rectangle. So L square means x plus 30 whole square, B x square, D x plus 60 whole square. So this and this are in the form of a plus b whole square. We know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square is the formula. Basing this formula, we can expand this x square plus 2 into x into 30 plus 30 square plus x square, this is x square, is equal to, this is also expand like this formula, x square plus 2 into x into 60 plus 60 whole square, x square 2 3 is 6, 60x, 30 is 900 plus x square is equal to x square 2 6 12 120x plus 6 6 36 3600. We can cancel on both sides same quantities, so x square plus 60x plus 900, we have to transpose quantities up on right side to left side. While transposing, these signs will change. Minus 120x minus 3600 is equal to 0. X square 60 minus 120 minus 60x 36 plus minus 3600 plus 900. So 3600 minus 900, this minus this plus, so 0, 16 minus 7, 2700 minus 2700 is equal to 0. We have to split this middle term to find x value. That's why we can do like this. 1 into minus 2700 is equal to minus 2700. Minus 2700 is equal to 3 9s are 27, 30 9s are 30 90s are 3 9s are 27, 2700. So we have to keep minus for this 90. 30 plus 30 minus 90 is equal to minus 60. This middle term will come. So we can split this middle term. X square plus 30x minus 90x minus 2700 is equal to 0. X is common, x plus 30. 90 is common, x plus 30 is equal to 0. X plus 30 is common, x minus 90 is equal to 0. X plus 30 is equal to 0, or x minus 90 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 30, or x is equal to 90. Therefore, but x can't be negative. Therefore, x is equal to 90. Therefore, the shorter side is equal to 90 meters, and the longer side is equal to x plus 30, 90 plus 30, 120 meters. Question number 7. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. Solution for problem 7. Let the larger number be x. The square of the smaller number is equal to 8 into x, 8x, because by given condition, they are given 8 times the larger number, that's why 8 into x. Square of the larger number, x square. According to the question, what is given? The square of the smaller number, the difference of squares of two numbers is 180 is given. So that's why x square minus 8x is equal to 180 is given. Therefore x square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. We have to find the x value. 1 minus 180 is equal to minus 180. Minus 180 is equal to 10 18 the. To get minus 8 middle term, we have to keep minus for 18. 10 minus 18 is equal to minus 8. X square plus 10x minus 18 x minus 180 is equal to 0. X is common, x plus 10. 18 is common, x plus 10. X plus 10, x plus 10 again common. X minus 18 is equal to 0. X plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 18 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 18. But x can't be negative. Therefore x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18. If x is equal to 18, the larger number is 18. Smaller number whole square means the square of a smaller number is 8x. 8 into 8x means 8 into 18, 144. Therefore smaller number is equal to square root of 144, that is equal to 12. Therefore the numbers are 18, 12. Question number 8. A train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Solution for problem 8. Let the uniform speed of the train be x kilometers per hour. Therefore time taken to cover 360 kilometers is equal to 360 by x. We know time is equal to d by s. Time is called distance by speed, because this is formula, and time taken to cover 360 kilometers when speed is increased as 5 kilometers per hour, then 360 by x plus 5 hours. According to the problem, according to the question, this is first, this is second. 360 by x, 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5. Here given it would have taken 1 or less for the same journey. So that's why difference is 1. 360 is common. So we can take 360 is common. 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1. So here 360 into x into x plus 5 is LCM. X plus 5 minus x is equal to 1, plus x minus x cancel. So here 5 is balance. 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, 5 3 are 15, 15 plus 3 18, 1800 by x into x square, x into 5 5x is equal to 1. On cross multiply, x square plus 5x is equal to 1800. X square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. 1 into 1800 minus 1800 is equal to minus 1800. So minus 1800 is equal to plus 5x. So 40 into 45 minus 40 plus 45 is equal to plus 5. Therefore x square minus 40x plus 45x minus 1800 is equal to 0. X is common, x minus 40 plus 45 is common, x minus 40 is equal to 0. X minus 40 is common, so x minus 40 into x plus 45 is equal to 0. X minus 40 is equal to 0 or x plus 45 is equal to 0. X is equal to 40 or x is equal to minus 45. But x can't be negative. Therefore x is equal to 40 only. Therefore x means what? The speed of the train. The speed of the train. The speed of the train is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. Question number 9. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Solution for the problem 9. Let the time taken by the smaller tap be x hours. Then the time taken by the larger tap is equal to x minus 10 hours. According to the problem, according to the question, both worked for 9 3 by 8 hours, that is equal to 8 9 is 72, 75 by 8 hours. Therefore, work done by smaller tab in 75 by 8 hours is equal to 75 by 8 by x, and work done by larger tab in 75 by 8 hours is equal to 75 by 8 by x minus 10. Total work is equal to 75 by 8 by x. We have to add these two. 75 by 8 by x minus 10 is equal to 1 whole work. So we have to take this common 75 by 8 into 75 by 8 into 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 is equal to 1. Take the LCM of the denominator x and x minus 10. So LCM x into x minus 10, here x minus 10 plus x is equal to, we have to write this reciprocal, 8 by 75, 1x 2x, 2x by x into x square, x into 10 minus 10x is equal to, here 1x 2x minus 10 is equal to 8 by 75. 2 is common for these two terms, 2 into x minus 5 by x square minus 10x is equal to 8 by 75. 2 1s 2 4s. So cross multiply, x square in minus 10x into 4, 4x square minus 40x is equal to 75x minus 75, 5 is 5 5 is 25, 5 7 is 35, 37 is equal to 0. 4x square minus 40x minus 70x is equal plus 375 is equal to 0. Here no need 0. 4x square minus 115x plus 375 is equal to 0. 4 into 375, 4 5 is 20, 4 7 is 28, 30, 4 3 is 12, 15, 1500. 1500 is equal to 1500. We have to keep minus for these two numbers. Minus 15 minus 100 is equal to minus 115. 4x square minus 15x minus 100x plus 375 is equal to 0. Here x is common, 4x minus 15. Here 25 is common, 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. 4x minus 15 is common, 2x minus 25 is equal to 0. 4x minus 15 is equal to 0, or x minus 25 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 15, x is equal to 15 by 4, x is equal to 25. But x can't be 15 by 4, therefore x is equal to 25. That means time taken by the smaller tap is equal to 25 hours. For the larger tap, x minus 10, 25 minus 10 is equal to 15 hours.